Creative Tonies are programmable figures for the Toniebox, allowing you to record and play custom audio content. To begin, you'll need a Toniebox, a Creative Tonie figure, and the free Toniebox app. Ensure your Toniebox is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Download the Toniebox app on your smartphone or tablet and create an account. Once logged in, place the Creative Tonie on top of the Toniebox. This pairs the Tonie with your account via NFC, and it will appear in the app. This step is crucial for managing the audio content on your Creative Tonie. With the Creative Tonie paired, you can now record or upload audio content. The Toniebox app allows you to record directly using your device's microphone. Alternatively, you can import pre-recorded audio files in MP3 format. The maximum recording time per Creative Tonie is 120 minutes. Add chapter markers within the app to organize your audio, making it easier to navigate stories or songs. Once you've recorded or uploaded your content, transfer it to the Tonie via the app. After the transfer is complete, remove the Tonie from the box and then place it back on to start playback. Remember to record in a quiet environment and test the playback to ensure clear audio.